Good morning. So today we are doing a carving refurbish project. It's 14 foot high. It is a pine tree. It's just gotten really kind of discolored over the years. Some woodpecker holes, stuff like that. I just had to swing by the shop really quick. It's my beautiful disaster of a shop. Just to grab some sanding pads and a few other things, and then we'll head over to the job. All right, we are ready to go. I got a lot of crap in here, so everything jiggles around. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the gas station and grab a yerba mate before I head to the job site. The nice thing about living in a small mountain town is that all my jobs are super close. This one's like 5 miles from my shop, and my shop is like maybe a quarter mile from the house. So everything's really kind of tight-knit and beautiful, obviously. I'm gonna get started on this refurbish job. I was gonna go and do a couple things on a different job, but I just need to knock out this refurbish job because the other job is massive, which I will show you. It's a 26-foot totem pole type carving. Huge. It's gonna look really cool though. There she is. They already put the scaffolding up so we could just get her done today. All right, here it is. Got my scaffolding set up. I just got to put the boards on. But you see how it's all like dark colored and there's like holes in it and all that yucky stuff. What's going on here? I don't know why it's bleeding like that up top. But we're gonna clean that all up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is use my angle grinder to sand down with a 24 grit sanding pad and kind of just get the blunt of it all smooth again, all back to its natural color. Yeah, so here we go. All right, we're looking better already. See how all that like gunk is gone now up here? We're finally getting back to the natural wood. Oh, this is gonna look really cool when I'm done. I'm gonna use Penafin rosewood oil to seal it. It's gonna look really cool. All right, moving on to the animals. I'm gonna sand off as much as I can and then come back in with the chainsaw and kind of just redo the pattern that this carver already did. I'm not sure who carved this. If you're watching this and you carved this, let me know. Quite a long time ago. All right, eagle's about done. We're gonna move down to this bear, and this bear, and then that bear. And that's pretty much it. Just a couple burns, burn the highlights, and then get some sealant on there, and then we're golden. Alrighty, we are done with the refurbish. Just have some staining left to do, plug in some woodpecker holes. All right, just took all the scaffolding down and we are done. Got the rosewood oil on there.
By your wonderful fiance.
For sure. The sun is always right behind the eagle when I take a video, so you can't really see it. Here we go. I'll just zoom in a little bit. I know, it's not the best eagle, but it looks better now.